So in California, and you got to Google your state, you'll hear us say a lot.
Most states are the same as California, so Google your state. It's important.
Especially if you're traveling around and you might have had a few at a restaurant. This is about California field sobriety test. Do I have to do it?
And this is pre-arrest, before you're arrested. This is very important, before you're arrested. You do not have to do those. They're voluntary.
So if he wants to do that and tell me to follow his finger, I can politely...
Or walk a line, heel toe, anything prior to being arrested.
Standing on one foot, standing on no feet, they have you
to
do crazy things.
Politely decline those. They are intended for you to fail, period. Even if you're sober 100%. You voluntarily decline those in the state of California and any other state where they're voluntary, which we have found most other states, it is voluntary, but you still want to Google your state. It's very important. These things are designed to help them buttress a case that you're impaired when maybe you're really not impaired, period. Let them do their job, and if they think you're impaired...
And never drive impaired.
We never recommend driving impaired, and if you are that impaired, then they should take you in. But if you're not, you shouldn't be tricked into these tests. They make you think it's voluntary, that if you do this, it's going to help us determine you can still drive. No.
Just Google innocent people arrested for DUIs. It's all over the place. But now here, if you're under 21, shouldn't be drinking anyway.
This is important.
You're going to have to do the field sobriety test and the breathalyzer. Otherwise, you don't have to do the on-site breathalyzer. And as my brother said earlier, this is after arrest in California and a lot of other states, but you still got to Google your state. If you refuse the chemical test, the DMV takes your license for 1 year. It's revoked for 1 year under the implied consent law.
And what do we recommend? Breath or urine?
We recommend blood. It's easier for our lab to analyze and scrutinize. And there are rules behind how they have to draw it and all those other things. But we recommend doing the blood, and we recommend never driving impaired. Don't do those field sobriety tests. We encourage you just to Google, do I have to do field sobriety tests in your state? Do I have to do the on-site breathalyzer in your state? Most are the same. Some are different. So know what you're doing when you're driving around traveling, especially when you get from one city to another and you might have a rental car. Know the rules.
That's right. Follow us for more, and thanks for watching.
Have a great day.